Props, thank you. I love you. Hello guys. Hi, Ives. Thank you for Thank you for the visit. Dito naman sa Ives. Yung director naman, tsaka yung mother.
Hoy, balik mo man. Sabi, balik mo.
Sige. Dishwasher.
Nagsasaya na kami kasi mamaya pag natalo.
Best Actress, Joy Charo Castro. Best Supporting Actor, Janelle Delphine. Best Supporting Actress, Angeline Pagsuyuin. Directed by Ian Joseph C. Velasco.
Somewhere in a place called farm, where life of simplicity is enjoyed with ease and contentment. There live a couple who share their love and compassion for every need and happiness, every suffering and ease, promise that until death do we part. A husband whose industry is unquestionable, works from sunrise to sundown to sustain their need, and for his wife, maiden in love. A wife whose industry and dedication is only for his husband, only that she is too temporal and underserved. Our story starts in a bright morning sun. Farming is the common occupation in San Sebastian, where the couple Antonio and Elena live. Farmers work in the fields regardless how rigid the exertion is. Nobody claims exhaustion. They all enjoy their indigenous job. Antonio, the husband of Elena, with his compare Alcano, all together with the farmers enduring the brightening of the sun as the season for planting of rice had begun.
It's worth the suffering, doing this for our wives, that waits for an offering of life, and the compassion of God. Indeed, my friend, just a glimpse of your loving faces, brings the memories of an entire their work punished. A thousand
Just like we're burning up for you.
Would you mind to wait a little more time? So as to let the work undone?
Then so Elena had waited. But since Antonio's industry is frenzied, an hour had passed, and yet she's still undone. This is the reason why Elena's patience rushed into pieces and starts to outburst her raging temper.
Antonio! You've been waiting for a long time. If you're not interested to do like me, I guess so. It is because you do not realize the hardship of preparing such food. The rush that I introduced to brings me in time.
I know my driver, but this isn't that. It's not the kind of person I am.
And so, then, this one, I'll just be home. I would rather go with you back to the
Buka-bukain mo. Hinili mo sa lip.
Listen first! Too much injustice just doesn't work at all times. There's no need to. Alright. Come over. Listen first.
Ay, hand washing. That's the problem. Very hand washing.
You got it. Go ahead and see. I know you have it. I want to stay in outpost.